Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Fallout Pre-War World Part 4 video. Alright, today's video, I just arrived at the savannah biome because I'm collecting some savannah logs and jungle logs as well. I'll be going two places, savannah and jungle. Right, to let you all know, everyone, I'm going to be away from my area for a while, but I will return to my area soon. Right, as you may not know, I decided I set up my camp area. This is my campsite area. I'm at the savannah biome. Right, as you may not know, I did collect some savannah logs yesterday, and I collected some jungle logs as well, and I got some I got savannah spruce trees and jungle trees as well, and I'm going to carry on collecting them. The reason I'm collecting these two, it's part of my area. I want to make my area into a tropical paradise, you know, to make it more like summer like. Just like I said, I'm not planning to return to my area for a while because I've got things to attend to. Hold on, wait, hold on. Just hold on, wait, hold on. Hold up for. Am I playing as? I'm playing as someone on Minecraft. Oh my god. Luke Skywalker. Oh my god. Luke Skywalker. Right, I'll be doing another video of Minecraft Star Wars tomorrow, and Star Wars Battlefront 2 co-op missions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one last video of the Galactic Republic. Then the next night I'll be doing the savages, and I'll be doing another video tomorrow night right after Star Wars Battlefront 2, which another video of Lego Star Wars Skywalker Saga, because I'm going after that bounty hunter. But I will try to collect. I'm gonna I'll try my best to try to collect more. I'm gonna try and collect some of these savannah trees because I am planning to take them back to my area, which, as you may not know, I just left my area, which is kind of well, I know the way back. It's I had to go past that mountain. So once I go past that mountain, I'll return to my area. So it's a long way back to go back home. Well, I know well, the way I'm looking at my map, I know I explored half of the map, but I haven't explored the rest of the map because it's completely blank. It's still blank. Oh. I'm just trying to think of an idea for this title for this video. I have no idea really, so I'll try to think of something. Oh, there's the jungle biome right there. Ooh. Oh, hello. What's this? Wow, what do we have here? Oh, now that is a perfect mountain. Oh, wow, that's a perfect mountain. Yeah, this mountain here could be part of my future Fallout videos. I'm just gonna leave that mountain there for now. But I might come back here very soon in the future. Right, I'm not going to the main jungle. I'm going to the outside jungle. Oh god. Yeah, the sky's changed. That's weird. When I was over there, the sky was blue. Well, when I just wrote at the jungle area, the colour just changed colour. Probably it's part of the Minecraft update. So yeah, each biome you go to, the colour of the sky changes. I wonder what it looks like if I go to the swamp area. Oh, I think I already know what the swamp area looks like. As you push towards the swamp area, the sky turns like the sky turns. As you enter the swamp biome, the sky turns. The sky turns. The sky turns into a different colour. It turns into some kind of radioactive sky. More like it's like when you go to the glowing sea in Fallout 4. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. What was that tree I chopped earlier? Oh, is it this one? Oh, I cut both trees down. it's a bit high up. Maybe just this one. Right, I'm just gonna wait. Oh, parrots. Oh, look at that. I don't mind having parrots. Well, parrots are very easy to tame. All you gotta just give them seeds, and then that parrot would just hop on your soldier. I might do the end of this video, right? I might tame this parrot and I take it back home with me. I don't know, I take it with me to their campsite. And it's gonna come with me to my home area. How many do I need? Right, I got 6 of them. Mind you, I got 8 of them right now. Right, I'm gonna head back quick because I wanna craft. I want to craft a furnace. Right, everyone, for my next video, part 4 video, which it might have to come somewhere between for my next video, part 4 is coming somewhere June. I can't tell you what day it's gonna come. But let me just quickly make the furnace. Oh, hold on. Did I mention something? Oh yeah, yes. Right, part 4 video. Right, Minecraft pre-war video, part 4 video. The monsters are going to appear in my world, so I'll be fighting monsters on my next video. Alright, okay, it's nightfall. Let's just quickly go here. Yeah, to light the place up. Oh yeah, before I end this video, everyone, I'm building. Well, I don't know what I'm building down here. I'll probably build like a secret. Yeah, I'm going to build a secret. I'm going to build a secret base. But now I'll just. Well, as you might not know, I need to build another. Oh. Right. What I'm going to do is, if I'm going to build a secret base, which is going to go head that way, which I could do that at the end of this video. So for now, I'm just going to rest up. Alright everyone, I'm going to end my video. I'll see you all soon in the next Minecraft pre-war video, part 4. Bye for now.